Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its potential to revolutionize our lives. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, making money with AI continues to transform industries and create new opportunities. There are endless ways for you to leverage this technology and turn it into a profitable venture. So whether you're a business owner looking to optimize your operations, an aspiring entrepreneur seeking to develop an AI-powered product, or simply curious about the ways in which AI is changing the economy, this video is for you. We'll explore the latest trends in AI-based monetization strategies, share real-world success stories, and provide practical tips and resources for anyone looking to cash in on the AI boom. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on the AI boom. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on the exciting journey of making money with artificial intelligence. Heavily depends on various factors such as market conditions, industry, business model, etc. However, I can provide a list of some popular platforms that utilize AI to help individuals or businesses make money. 1. Amazon Turk. This platform allows businesses to hire remote workers for various tasks, such as data labeling and image recognition, with the help of AI algorithms. 2. Hugging His is an open-source AI platform that provides natural language processing, ELP, tools for businesses to automate their customer support and chatbots. 3. DataRobot, a learning platform that enables businesses to build and deploy predictive models without requiring extensive technical expertise. 4. Google. This advertising program by Google utilizes AI algorithms to display ads on websites that are most likely to generate clicks and revenue. 5. Eadman, a cloud-based AI platform that offers services like chatbots, image recognition, and predictive analytics to help businesses optimize their operations and decision-making. 6. Brainly, a peer learning platform that uses AI to match students with tutors and provide personalized answers to academic questions. 7. OpenAI research organization that provides powerful language models for businesses to automate their content creation and chatbots. 8. Keglia science platform that hosts competitions and provides a community of data scientists to solve complex business problems using AI algorithms. 9. App and outsourcing platform that utilizes AI algorithms to help businesses with tasks such as data labeling and content moderation. 10. Conversational AI platform that provides businesses with the ability to create and deploy intelligent chatbots and voice assistants. These are just a few examples of platforms that are utilizing AI to help individuals and businesses make money. It's important to keep in mind that success is not guaranteed and requires effort, strategy, and dedication to achieve. Link on my description to get started on these platforms and start generating massive income now. Again, we will discuss about strategies to make massive income with artificial intelligence. There are several strategies to make massive income with artificial intelligence. Some of them are 1. Developing in services. One of the most common ways to make money with AI is to develop and sell AI-based products and services. This could include developing chatbots, virtual assistants, recommendation engines, and other AI-powered tools that help businesses automate and optimize their operations. 2. Providing services. Another way to make money with AI is by offering consulting services to businesses that want to implement AI solutions. This could involve helping businesses identify areas where AI can be most effective, designing AI solutions, and providing ongoing support and maintenance. 3. Selling as AI relies heavily on data to learn and improve its performance. Collecting and selling high-quality data can be a lucrative business. This could include collecting data on consumer behavior, online activity, or any other area where data is valuable. 4. Investing tips. With the growing popularity of AI, there are many startups focused on developing innovative AI solutions. Investing in these startups can be a way to make a substantial return on investment if the company is successful. 5. Offering an education. As AI becomes more prevalent in various industries, there is a growing need for professionals who can develop and manage AI systems. Offering training and education in AE can be a lucrative business, particularly if you can provide high-quality, in-demand training that sets you apart from your competitors. Thank you for watching this video about making money with artificial intelligence. We hope you found it informative and insightful. As you've seen, AI is revolutionizing many industries, from healthcare to finance to marketing. And with the right skills and knowledge, you can leverage AI to make money and build a successful career. So if you're interested in pursuing a career in AE, we encourage you to continue learning and exploring. There are many resources available online, including courses, tutorials, and communities where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts. Remember, the key to success in AI is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. We wish you the best of luck on your AI journey and hope to see you back here soon for more exciting content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest AI trends and insights.